This 2021 Grand Design Momentum M381 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, TV, Skylight, Slideout, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Momentum M381 is 14,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.